second installment of the Britax Two Way Elite in a Renault Scenic. You take the seat belt like this, you thread it in here through the seat, you thread it through the fabric across, so it comes out at the bottom here. You then plug in. Now that was the easy part. Now you make sure there's no twists. I've got one here on the seat. There we go. Now pushing down in here, push the seat down, take this shoulder belt, pull it hard, hold it, keep pulling the shoulder belt up here into the recliner. Then it's nice and steady. Now you take these, which is the tether straps. You'll find the tether strap to do. Pull it to the fabric. Sometimes you need to pull out some slack.
Det är väldigt mörkt.
Plug it in. Plug it in. Tighten it slightly. The other one. Pull it out. Pull out the slack and plug it in. Now you pull this one nice and tight. You pull this one nice and tight. Get a good tight install. This seat needs to lean on the vehicle seat, but it cannot be wedged between the vehicle seat and the headrest. But it needs to firmly lean on the vehicle seat. The bottom is touching. The bottom of the seat is touching the back of the vehicle seat. Straps are nice and not twisted, which is very important. You give it to test the installment is nice and tight. You give it a nice tug, shove here. You can see that it's moving a tiny bit, so we can actually tighten it a tiny bit more on the tether straps. It now does not move at all. You cannot move it up here. That's not an indication of a tight install. Always here at the belt pass. Never up here. Never up here. You can also give the harness a tug. You will see that it does not move at all. A shove, it still does not move. That is the Britax Two Way Elite installed in the reclined position. The heel of the seat is tucked under the seat as the manual says for the reclined install. In the reclined install, you must not install this seat on a degree that is over 40 degrees. Never over 40 degrees. This seems to be a very perfect install. Make sure that the actual heel of the seat is touching the vehicle seat. Most of the seat should be here on the heel, never back here. If your seat is leaned back here, then that's way too reclined. It's very easy to fix. Just move your vehicle seat back and forth on the rail or if you feel you can't move it anymore on the rail, try adjusting the angle of your backrest. That will usually fix the problem. Okay, that was the Two Way Elite installed reclined position, and I'm ERF Mama from a rear facing family. Thank you.